I wanted to do it a little bit differently today. Clear lace and clean hairline wig. I want y'all to know this is glueless. This is completely glueless. Brown, brown, clear, clear. No! I'm hooked on these little things right here. The wig, it's a good wig. It's a good wig, but it's still got one foot out in the world. You got to go ahead and bring it on up there to the altar. Put that thing on it, and then it will look glorious and victorious, as you see right here. We melting lace on our hands, lace on our hands. They gotta be the sisters that really don't get along like that. They got to be those type of sisters, okay? And y'all, there is no rhyme, no reason.
I just do it and put my back into it. That's it, that's all.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
The slay is upon my head, as you can see. I wanted to do it a little bit differently today. I'm already coming at you with the slay.
I'm coming at it like this.
Y'all see it. Y'all, this hair is so beautiful. This hair is so fantabulously beautiful. It doesn't come like this. That is the case a lot of times with human hair curly wigs. Something has to be done, and there's an easy way and then a more tedious way. I did it the easy way today. When you don't have time, even when you do, you don't. This is what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna let you know all about that. But you know, I gotta show love to my subscriber today. Cousin on my YouTube side. YouTube.com. Now, you guys, to this hair. This wig has been brought to you by Xrsbeauty.
Xrsbeauty Hair, your natural hair.
Y'all know I've worn many of their wigs and I am a fan. I love their products, specifically their lace. Definitely in my top 3 vendors as far as the lace game goes. They got it on lock. This is their 18-inch 200% density kinky curly 13 by 6 clear lace and clean hairline wig. I want y'all to know this is glueless. This is completely glueless. Like I said, definitely one of my top 3 favorite vendors when it comes to the lace game. And they always come with receipts. So I always have to show you the receipts in the case that you are watching one of my Xrsbeauty videos for the first time. Maybe you don't know. Brown lace, clear lace, which is what I have. My olive oil super hold spray. This is what I use to lay my wigs when I can't manage to get it glueless. We just gonna get it good and on there. Trying to get it pressed down and run it over so it can, hold on. So that's the brown lace, y'all. This is the brown lace. It is. That's the brown lace against my skin, okay? Now this might work for you if you are deep brown. Now let me get the clear lace on here. Press down and run it over. So I can do them both the same way. We melting lace on our hands, lace on our hands, lace on our hands, lace on our hands. We melting lace on our hands, lace on our hands. Hey, that should be good. So here we are. Come on. They be on my face so bad. There we go. Brown, clear. Brown, clear. Brown, clear. I said brown, brown, clear, clear. Brown, brown, clear, clear. Brown, brown, clear, clear. So let me tell you what I did, because again, the wig does not come this way. The wig, it's a good wig. It's a good wig, but it's still got one foot out in the world. You got to go ahead and bring it on up there to the altar and put that thing on it, and then it will look glorious and victorious, as you see right here.
Yeah, for real, this is what you want right here.
Usually when I get curly hair wigs like this, I immediately co-wash it, because you want to disrupt that uniformity. Your curls can be sisters, but they got to be the sisters that really don't get along like that. They got to be those type of sisters, okay? Because you don't want them to be uniform. So you got to break all that up. You have to disrupt the uniform curls that is going to come in your package. So usually I get it good and drenched and just go through it, and then I use one of my favorite curling products. Today I happen to use Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Envy Cream. Usually I use the mousse, the 7-in-1 mousse, but I decided to use the curling cream today. I have a misting bottle, and I section my hair into 4 sections. Wet it down real good. Now the misting bottle won't drench it. I mean, unless you just continuously do that. It mists the hair. Take a paddle brush, you brush through, because you still got to disrupt these curls. You have to do this, y'all, if you want these results. I like cute little finger coil ends, and I use curl rail to create the little finger coils at the ends of the hair, because I'm hooked, okay? I'm hooked on these little things right here. These detangling and styling tools, I'm hooked on this, honey. If you have not gotten this yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because I have clearly linked it plenty of times before, and today will be no exception. It will be linked. Once it's dry, I can kind of go through and separate the ends a little bit. I can leave some of the finger coils in if I want to. I separate some, I leave others, and y'all, there is no rhyme, no reason.
I just do it and put my back into it. That's it, that's all.
You either let it air dry or you use the diffuser. It dries the hair like a normal, it's just an attachment that you put on your blow dryer, but it doesn't blow the hair all over the place and get it all frizzy and crazy. It directs the air to specific places and not everywhere. So you do that. But I just wanted to let you know that you can get very similar results without having to get it soaking wet with a cold wash. I know we don't have time to do that all the time. We got things we got to do. Even when we don't, we do. Get you a pick. If you don't have a pick, I did go through and raise the roots. Raise the roots. Raise the roots. Hey, raise the roots. Raise the roots. Man, we be raising roots over here, man. People don't know that. People don't know that. So I'm gonna get y'all to the demo, but this is for when you shown up. You just don't have time. This is a quick way to get these beautiful results. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yet again. To the demo. Peace.
Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. Oh no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me. So